Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create modules. First, on the left hand side click modules and it will lead you to this page. Since I have nothing created here, it will tell me to create new module. Or I can simply create new modules by clicking this button here. Creating modules can help you organize the lecture materials and also help your student to have a clear idea what to focus on. And there's few ways you can create modules. You can create them based on the chapters, or you can create them week by week. So the easiest way is to create them week by week. In here I'm going to teach you how to create them week by week. And so first I create week 1 and add module. Week 2 and so on and so forth. So you can create modules based on numbers of weeks throughout the semester. And in here I'm going to week 1 and adding the content to week 1. I can click the plus sign, the plus button on the right hand side and choose what I wanted to add on to week 1. So in here I choose assignment. You can create new assignment or you can choose the assignment that you already created. But in here I'm going to create new assignment. Let's say homework 1. And add item. So now my homework 1 will appear here. And if I want to do the editing, I can go to my assignment and you will see the week 1 that I just created, and then you can do the further editing here. But now let's go back to module and let me create more. And so let me create other, let's say quizzes. I can create a new quiz or I can use the exist quiz that I created and add the item. Also, you can add files like your lecture slide. So you can post your lecture slide for week 1. And also I can also add an URL. So in here you can post the lecture record. Let's go to the Zoom. So for example, I already have the lecture recorded via Zoom, so I can go to my Zoom profile and click recordings, and in your recordings you can click share and you can click display detail and copy the link here and go back to the URL and paste. Don't forget to paste your access code for a student to be able to access the recording. So in here I can say lecture recordings, and then at the end I can change the date and also change the passcode and just paste the passcode so the student can see it and be able to access the record and add items. So it will be displayed right here. And if you want to organize your modules better, you can add the test header. So the test header can organize your module better. So I can have a test header say lecture and put PowerPoint slide under the lecture and add indentation. And let's do one more test header. Let's say homework assignment. Homework and add items. And I'm going to put homework and quiz under and add indentation. So it looks like in homework will be the title, and then homework 1 and quiz will be under the homework. And one more for recording. And put the recording under it and add an indentation. And also, once you're done with editing your modules, you can publish them one by one by clicking this publish button on the right hand side, or you can publish them all at once by clicking the publish button here. And that's how you create modules. Thank you for watching.